What a fantastic product, L'Oreal. I'm highly impressed. So it has fragrance. It just blends in like butter. Wow. It's dripping. Hello everybody, if you are new here, then I'm Neha Devgan and I come often here to talk about product reviews and that too unsponsored. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about complexion products and that too by L'Oreal. So I have 4 of them over here. मैं चारों को try करने वाली हूँ and then we are going to see how these work on my skin and which one you should be buying as per your skin type and your need. So without a further delay, let's get started. First of all, this is my no makeup face. You can see all of the pigmentation areas. Why I'm showing you this? Because I want you to focus on all of these once I apply the foundation. One side I'm going to apply it with fingers or with beauty blender, and one side, if it's truly a foundation, I'm going to apply it with a brush. So let's not delay any further and let's talk about L'Oreal 24-hour serum foundation. This is new in India, comes with a dropper, and this is like a serum foundation, basically a serum. It's very thin. I have also talked about it in my skin tint video. If you have missed it, you can go there and check out that video. लेकिन हम इसके बारे में डिटेल में भी आज फिर से बात कर लेते हैं क्योंकि हम लॉरियल बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स की बात कर रहे हैं. तो ये बहुत ही थिन फाउंडेशन है. अब इन सारे कॉम्प्लेक्शन प्रोडक्ट्स को लगाने से पहले मैं अपनी मिनिमलिस्ट की मॉइस्चराइजर लगाने वाली हूँ. ये सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल मॉइस्चराइजर है, ये प्राइमर नहीं है. जस्ट बिकॉज क्योंकि हम थोड़ी सी मॉइस्चराइजेशन चाहते हैं अपने फेस पे, सो आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस. Other than this, I'm not going to be applying anything on my face. I'll take it on the back of my hand. क्योंकि हम सीरम फाउंडेशन को फिंगर्स से भी ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं, ये ईज ऑफ एप्लीकेशन के लिए होता है, तो मैं इसे अपनी फिंगर्स से ही अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ. टिंटेड सीरम फाउंडेशन इतने पतले होते हैं कि इन्हें अगर आप ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से लगाने की कोशिश करोगे तो आधा प्रोडक्ट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर तो खा ही लेगा. कई ब्रशेस से आप इन्हें अप्लाई कर सकते हो. This shade is 3 to 4 light medium and this is what it looks like on my skin. Blends perfectly, easily. I'm getting no problems. The only thing is it has isodecane and water as well. But I feel people who has sensitive skin, because it has isodecane, they need to do a little bit of patch test. Also, फॉर पीपल विद ड्राई स्किन, उन्हें थोड़ा सा अपने आप को ज्यादा मॉइस्चराइज करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा ना मैटिफाइंग है. हालांकि ये ब्लर करता है मेरी स्किन को फॉर द टाइम बीइंग, बट जैसे जैसे मैं इसका वेरेबिलिटी टेस्ट करती हूँ 5 से 6 घंटे के बाद मेरा टी जोन जो है वो ऑयली होने लगता है. राइट, तो ड्राई स्किन के लिए है कि उन्हें अपनी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज करना है क्योंकि ये थोड़ा मैटिफाइंग है. ऑयली स्किन को थोड़ा सा पाउडर भी करना चाहिए अपनी स्किन को क्योंकि थोड़ी देर बाद स्किन ऑयल रिलीज करती है. Fantastic product for your everyday makeups. I feel this is the foundation that is made for our office makeups, for quick Zoom calls, going out for a coffee date or something. This looks perfect and it actually gives you no makeup look. See, I have applied it with the fingers और ये बिल्कुल मेरी स्किन के अंदर एकदम ब्लेंड हो गया है. इवन अगर हम बीबी क्रीम और सीसी क्रीम की बात करते हैं, थोड़ी सी थिक होती हैं क्योंकि वो टिंटेड मॉइस्चराइजर जैसी होती हैं, बट ये उनसे भी पतला है. सीरम कैसा होता है? एकदम पतला. राइट, अब ये आप समझ लो कि ये सीरम तो है लेकिन ये ऑयली सीरम नहीं है, ये थोड़ा सा मैटिफाइंग सीरम है जिसे हम कहते हैं ड्राई ऑयल टाइप्स ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी है. इट विल बी परफेक्ट फॉर योर ऑयली स्किन, फॉर योर कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन, फॉर योर नॉर्मल स्किन. Only sensitive skin and dry skin people needs to moisturize it a little bit and do a little bit of patch test even on the rosacea part as well. Now for the coverage part, I can only say it is very sheer coverage. Like you can see, it has not covered everything. So people with dark circles, people with pigmentation, if you want a little bit of coverage, you can definitely pair it up with concealer, corrector, powder foundation. Because it's so thin, you can just actually put it to work the way you want. One thing I can say about this is if you're trying to use a matte concealer with it, you need to make sure that you are properly moisturized because this is matte and then you're using a matte product with it. It should be well blended. The consistency of both of the products should easily melt into each other. शेड रेंज की बात करें तो थोड़ी लिमिटेड ही शेड रेंज आती है इसकी क्योंकि ये सिरम है, बहुत सारे शेड्स में नहीं आता. क्वांटिटी इसकी 30 ml आती है. Also, one of the con can be it is not that hydrating, but it won't give you dry patches until you have very dry skin and if you have not moisturized your skin properly. It has 1% hyaluronic acid, which actually is a lot. It gives you a lot of dewiness, plumpiness, hydration to your skin. But what I feel is it's not that hydrating as well. Okay, it is little bit of matte foundation only. So the 1% hyaluronic acid, I think it's little bit of tricky in this foundation. Whereas I'm about to show you another tinted serum in this video which has 1% hyaluronic acid and I feel it is more hydrating than this one. Okay, कि ऑक्सीडाइजेशन की बात करें तो थोड़ा बहुत ऑक्सीडाइज ये होता है, तो आप इसे एक शेड लाइट ही खरीद सकते हो. हालांकि ये जो 3 to 4 लाइट मीडियम शेड था ना, ये मेरे लिए भी थोड़ा सा लाइट है, बट ये मेरी स्किन पर चल जाता है क्योंकि ये हल्का सा ऑक्सीडाइज होता है and then it becomes of my skin tone only. Right now it's summer time in India and I personally feel this is the time to buy this sort of a foundation. It will really help you in 5 minutes quick ready routine. Now let's move on to the next one. L'Oreal Infallible 32-hour fresh wear foundation. I mean, I like this bottle. This is a pretty sturdy glass bottle. Comes with a pump and the viscosity is such. Ooh, it's dripping. So it has fragrance. The shade is 251. This is what it looks like on my skin. So this is basically a long wear foundation only. A serum like consistency, but it is buildable. So far it looks matte. The real test is this area, this pore area on my face. You can also wear this one with a corrector, with a concealer and properly deck it up. Single coverage जब मैंने इस फाउंडेशन को दी थी, I felt like the beauty blender was eating a lot of product. But मैंने जब half pump और लिया and I've tried to apply it with the beauty blender, it looks beautiful and seamless. It is pretty much able to cover all things by itself, but I still feel that you need color corrector if you have heavy dark circles or heavy pigmentation like this area is heavily pigmented and I feel a little bit of darkness peeking through this area and around the mouth as well. So far it has dried all by itself, तो इसको blend आपको जल्दी से करना पड़ेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा देर आप रुक नहीं सकते, but एक बार ये blend हो गया तो ये set हो जाएगा अच्छे से. Let's just do a little bit of transfer test as well. Yeah, it transfers a little bit. You can powder it a little and it's going to go through full day. So this semi-matte finish is not very dry. This is very beautiful skin-like finish. I can still see a little bit of luminosity of my skin peeking through and it looks amazing. It's not making my skin look very dry or dull like a proper matte foundation. It's not like that. It is looking beautiful and I think this can be an everyday foundation for somebody who wants a little bit more coverage than a tinted serum foundation. Cherry on the cake part is it is water and sweat resistant, comes with SPF 25. If we talk about cons, I feel that the dry skin people need to moisturize a little, otherwise it can accentuate the dry patches, it can accentuate the texture on the skin. Main ingredients are water, isodecane, dimethicone and alcohol, which means sensitive skin people needs to do a little bit of patch test. It is majorly water based, but there is alcohol in the foundation as well. And dimethicone is the one that gives it skin like finish. 32 hours के लिए तो मैंने इसे try नहीं किया है, but all I can say is it stays on your skin for good 8 to 10 hours. After that, you can still see a little bit of oiliness happening on your areas wherever your skin releases oil. For example, in my case, it releases oils on the T-zone majorly. Also, I can say that it oxidizes to a one shade. At least in my case, it oxidized very fast. After like good 2 to 3 hours, I could see little bit of change in one shade at least. If you're watching this video so far, I hope you're liking the video. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss such unsponsored reviews. ये सारे products मेरे self bought हैं and I like to give you unsponsored reviews on all of these products based on how I test them and based on 10 years of my experience in this industry. L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation. ये फाउंडेशन ना मैंने जस्ट खरीदा है. आई थिंक ये रिसेंटली इंडिया में आया है. And I so wanted to try this, so I did swatch test and everything on this foundation, and it looks beautiful. इसे ना मैंने अभी फेस पे नहीं लगाया है. Good thing about this foundation is it comes with a pump, amazing for sensitive skin and mature skin. Wow, we all want foundations for mature skin and sensitive skin. Now let's see the viscosity. Nice, right? 5W sort of a shade. Okay, I think it's little dark on my face. मक्खन. अभी तो मैंने मॉइस्चराइजर भी नहीं लगाया मेरे फेस पे, मैं भूल गई आफ्टर वॉशिंग माई फेस. I'm happy. Let's test it on the open pore area. You know, the name says super blendable. It is actually super blendable. It just blends in like butter. Oh my god. I mean, this is not sponsored, first of all, but I have never seen anything like this. Wow. Okay. I'm not those influencers who's gonna, do wow, but this is actually wow. I wish you could feel what I'm feeling right now. What a fantastic product. Satin finish like feel, weightless. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing a foundation. It's so beautiful. Feels like feather on the skin, I should say. Cherry on the cake part, pump dispenser, and it is a vegan product. What else do we need? Skin matching technology. So anyhow, if you buy like a one shade lighter, it will match up to your skin tone and will make it look like your skin only. You know what? It felt like it is one shade darker, but right now when I'm seeing it in the mirror, it's not looking like very dark. However, if we go to the corn part, it hasn't done anything to my pore area. I can say it might have accentuated to a point. So what I can do is I can apply a little bit of primer, like pore minimizing primer over here, if I want the sort of blurring finish on my forehead. For dry skin and mature skin, I would say you guys still need to moisturize your face if you want to apply this foundation, because though it is hydrating, but it's not that hydrating. So keep your hydration game on and then apply it. It will be like a great combo for your skin. But butter. If you're going out for 3 to 4 hours, then apply powder on your T-zone area and under eye area. And if you want to apply it for a party, then apply powder everywhere and set it properly. It won't go anywhere. This is something that I would like to give to my mother, and I would like to keep it in my vanity as well. This is so beautiful. Amazing product for self, for everyday, and for gifting. For summers, it's perfect. For winters, you need to moisturize a little bit more. For layering part, you can pair it up with your concealers and correctors and make it work for your skin. What a fantastic product, L'Oreal. Good job. I'm impressed. I'm highly impressed. L'Oreal True Match Nude Tinted Serum Foundation. Now this is known for 1% hyaluronic acid, like the one I told you before, and it actually feels nourishing. I bought this one in Canada and this is not available in India. So I kept it for the last, but we are going to try this because it's fantastic. It's one of the known serum foundations in the industry. And why it is known for? It is known for natural radiant finish. It is famous for its messy packaging because the product never comes out of the dropper, and that's what everybody complains about. Good part about this tinted serum foundation is it just blends nicely. It's very hydrating, gives you skin like luminous finish, not that super dewy finish, but luminous finish. easy to spread on the face, and 1% hyaluronic acid is not less. I'm telling you, it's almost like 1,000 times its weight in water, or sometimes 6 liter of water or something. Basically, the crux of the statement is it's super hydrating, which it actually feels. It's very skin like finish, and it's good for sensitive skin as well. I feel it is perfect for mature skin as well, and people who are like me, who wear a lot of retinols, we face a lot of dryness on our face. I feel this one does a perfect job. Now it has sheer to medium coverage, which is amazing for everyday use. It is vegan and fragrance free. On top of it, it is non-comedogenic. Now they say it blurs the pores. I do feel the blurring effect very decent enough for everyday usage. I can also apply a little bit of powder on it for everyday use. A fantastic product. Only con is it is not available in India, and it's messy dropper. ड्रॉपर का ना नाम खराब कर दिया है इस प्रोडक्ट ने एक्चुअली, वरना अगर ये ड्रॉपर में ना होके पंप में होता ना तो ये काफी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट होता. प्लीज मेरी कंपनी से गुजारिश है कि ऐसे प्रोडक्ट ना इंडिया में और ले आया करो. पता नहीं इंडिया में प्रोडक्ट आने में इतना वक्त क्यों लग जाता है, बाकी सब जगह इतने अच्छे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे होते हैं. However, I should be grateful for all of these products which are available in India. I like, and I'm so happy that India has its own tinted serum foundation. Although I have tested 10 more serum foundations on my page, you can go and check out that video. Link is in the description. I'll put an iCard over here as well. But out of all of those, this one has my heart actually. So this was all about all 4 of these foundations, and I'm happy many of these are available in India. How do you like this video? Let me know in the comments. This is Neha Devgan on this note saying bye bye.